real quick. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Race Car Network. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing, right now I'm getting all the rest of my bolt-ons put on, including my inlets. We're going up to my buddy's shop. It's a little bit of a drive, and then he's gonna put those on, and tomorrow we're gonna come back. Obviously it's gonna be instant for you guys, but tomorrow I'm gonna turn back on the camera and show you guys some pulls after the fact, and once I get the stage 2+2 on, so we can compare the stage 1 and the stage 2. So that should be sick. I hope you guys enjoy. So here's my oil catch can, here's my inlets, here's my intercooler, and here's my downpipes. So all those are gonna be getting put on today. I'm super excited to see how this thing runs. So as you guys can tell, this joint moves, bro. It really does, it moves. Especially for only a stage 1+, man. I mean, that thing gets up. So I can't wait till I have all the other stuff on. And it's gonna be moving, man. Like I said, I got new wheels and rims and tires coming in, what's it called, next week. So I'm excited for y'all to stay tuned and see all the upgrades I have to this car. Alright guys, so I'm multitasking right now. Sorry it's a weird shot, but pulling up to my boy's place. I'm on stage 1+ right now. Those were those little pulls. I'm gonna get these full bolt-ons on, and then throw the new map on stage 2+, and then we're gonna see how she runs. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Yo, what is up, guys? Just got the car back. So I'm stage 2+ now. Not running an E-map yet, but we just got the car back, so we're gonna be shooting the part of me getting it back now. We're gonna do some pulls and stuff like that. So I'm on stage 2+, like I just said, and I'm full bolt-ons as well. I hope you guys enjoy the flybys. We'll catch you back in a sec. God damn, that shit sounds so good. Hey, what's up, bro?
You fuckboy every time, bro.
Bro, I'm shooting a clip. Why are you drinking some smeared off ice, boy? Oh, shit.
Nah, so I'm gonna be real. I poured it in here so that I wouldn't have 2 cups. And then I could just fucking get out the car and not leave you with all this shit rattling around. But instead,
it's splashing everywhere.
Because you keep ripping. Sheesh.
what up, guys? So we reconfigured the engine a little bit, so my intakes are no longer right here where they should be. So I got the charge pipe blow off valve, I got the down pipes put in. Here's the inlets. I don't have the intakes on them right now, but they're in my trunk. What's it called? So yeah, we're full bolts on. That was me 2 days ago, which was stage 1 plus. I did some pulls for you guys just to show you what stage 1 plus was on the highway. I didn't get out on the highway today, but I did do some pulls from the outside of the car for you guys and a couple on the inside, and it is significantly faster. We're gonna be putting an E-map on it tomorrow, so that's gonna be dope too. So I didn't put much gas in it, I was just putting on the E-map. But yeah, guys, wheels coming next week. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button if you're new, and peace out, guys.